up, guys? So today we got a water heater that has a leak on it. So let's grab my tools, see what we can find. We put this in about a year ago, and it's in the garage. And so there's a leak. So let's go see what we can find. All right. So they're twinned together. They also have a geothermal, so there's a pump. And this tank looks really corroded. See that? This other tank seems fine. So it's not necessarily the tank, it's the expansion tank, it looks like. So, and this one looks good. So this one seems to be the only one with the issue. I'm gonna inspect it a little bit more. See if we can replace this tank and whatnot. All right, yeah, it's the only one. We are pretty far out here to get a new one, so what I'll do is I'll take this off, put a plug in for now, because today's Sunday, so yeah, we'll put a plug in here, come back tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna turn these valves off, drain this out, get this off, put a cap right here, and then test it again after that. Alright, with the water out. Alright, this is all I got to put a cap on it. Again, we are very far from the supply house, so just try to use what I got. Think I got it. We'll let this cool off. Alright. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. We can get back here and put a tank on here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and slowly crack it open. Yeah, so far so good. Alright guys, I am back today. I got a new tank, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain this again, and we will get started on taking this off, putting the tank on, make sure there's no leaks, and then we'll be all wrapped up on this one. I'm sure most of y'all know, but always turn off the power to the water heater before you drain it, so you don't burn up the elements. Alright guys, got it drained, power's off, everything's isolated. Go ahead and take this one off. Good thing is this is only one day later. Everything's all dried up, so that's another good sign to double check your work and make sure that's the only leak. Alright, so I got it threaded. So now we go ahead and get this on here. So let's go ahead and try this one. See if there's any leaks. Now I can turn it on. All right. So far so good. We'll give this a few minutes. Make sure the hot water is on and make sure there's no more leaks. So yeah, we'll give this a minute. Alright guys, so yeah, there's no more leaks. I'm actually working on the HVAC system in the attic now. They had put the dogs in the garage, so but that's wrapped up on that one. So appreciate y'all watching, and see y'all on the next one.